Marilyn Hodges over here at Froggy's Fog, and we are here at LDI 2025. And I just wanted to show everyone our new machine that we have this year. So this is our Hyperion TJ10. It is our turbojet fogger. This is meant to kind of be that CO2 replacement. So it runs just on water-based fog fluid, which is really awesome for everyone because that way you're not having to mess with CO2 canisters or anything like that, have multiple lines running to it. It's just right here, all your water-based fog right up here in the front, and then it runs right on into the machine. The other great part about this machine is that this fluid container up here in the front actually rotates 360 degrees. So this machine is mountable any direction you want to mount it. So if you want it to shoot up, it can shoot up, shoot to the side, or shoot down. We do have, up at the top here, we do have RGB AW plus UV lighting. It is 2 zones, so you have a zone up by the nozzle and a zone back here. So that way you can have different colors you want, or if you want it to be all the same color, you are able to do that. Now with this machine, it is a little bit of a heat up time to start, but no worries, once it's all heated up, it is ready to go. So let me give you a quick little demo so that way you can see how awesome our new Hyperion TJ10 is. So as you can see, it looks just like a nice little CO2 blast, but you also get the added benefit of lighting, not using CO2 canisters, and just water-based fog fluid. If you have any further questions, feel free to go to froggysfog.com, and we have all of our spec sheets and everything available on the Hyperion TJ10.